Welcome to the AccuShelf Inventory Management System, designed to provide efficient workflows and patient safety for all medications, vaccines, supplies, and personal protective equipment. To get started, scan your fingerprint or log in manually. On the home screen, choose from 7 options. As an admin, you can manage inventory, users, and receive inventory. You may also add users to dispense, administer, or return items. Now, let's review the Receive workflow. After pressing Receive, you'll be taken to the Enter Order and Invoice Numbers screen. Here, you can capture the order from the invoice and itemize each shipment. If you don't have an invoice, press Continue without invoice. Choose which program you'd like to use to separate and manage your inventory. This list is customizable at any time. Let's select Private to receive a private shipment of items. On the next screen, begin scanning your items. Once scanned, the system recognizes and displays the item details on screen. You can continue scanning to increment or move on to the next item. You may also adjust quantity manually. Select a row to view an item's details card. Now you'll see additional information, including a visual of the item. You can change the unit of measurement being received on the screen. When finished scanning items and capturing quantities, press Submit. If your inventory is accurate, press Yes. All items are now in your inventory and are ready to dispense. Now we'll go over the Dispense workflow. Start by pressing Dispense. Depending on your mode, you'll be taken to the proper screen. Patient mode takes you to the Select a Patient screen. Select a patient and begin scanning items. Simply scan the item and the item card with image will be displayed. You can also use the drop-down menu to manually select any item in your inventory. When you have captured all items for dispense, press Next. Make any updates and press Yes to complete the dispense. This will automatically decrement items from inventory and attach them to the patient along with the lot, expiration, dose, user, and time of dispense. Let's move on to Return. To initiate a return, first identify the patient and items dispensed. Next, select or scan the dispensed item you are returning. As you can see, the item's quantity is properly updated and accounted for in inventory. The patient's record will also be updated to remove the returned item. The inventory section provides you with several different actions and is split into 4 sections. Your inventory at this AccuShelf can be viewed several different ways with quick filters. You can view expiring items, view by program, or view all in-stock items. Let's examine Reconcile Inventory. To start, choose one or more item cards and select Reconcile. This generates a task to select. Now scan the items on the list or adjust the quantity manually. Once complete, press Next. Submit, and your inventory adjusts accordingly. Next, we'll explore Activity. This is an audit report of every transaction performed on the unit. You can see details from each transaction, including dosage, lot, expiration, and program. Now, let's discuss Transfer. Transfer is used to transfer inventory from one location to another. To transfer an item, select the Inventory button, then press Manage, then select Transfer. Use our auto-generated ID or enter a custom ID for internal tracking. Then, select where to send the items from your list of locations. Now scan the items you wish to transfer. As you scan, the items populate the list. You can update quantities manually or by scanning. Once complete, you may add a note. When submitted, the items are in transit and are awaiting receipt at the destination site. The items are no longer dispensable at this location. The AccuShelf TM option allows you to manage temperature-controlled medications and vaccines. TM includes 2 digital data loggers to monitor temperature of refrigerators, freezers, and storage rooms. AccuShelf TM can attach up to 8 digital data loggers. Here, you can view the current temperature, as well as the minimum and maximum readings within the last 24 hours. By attaching a data logger, you can receive email or text alerts 24 hours a day when cold storage units are approaching or have reached out-of-range status. These are just some of the many efficient workflows AccuShelf provides you and your staff to efficiently and safely manage any inventory item. Welcome to your new, accurate, and time-saving workflow. Welcome to AccuShelf.